Hi, I'm going to show you how to install the analysis toolkit in Microsoft Excel. So for you to perform data analysis in Microsoft Excel, you must be able to have an add-in in Microsoft Excel where you can be able to import the analysis. So to get started, let me just show you what I'm saying. So the data analysis toolkit, this one will not appear in your machine if you don't do the process that I'm going to show you right away. So for you to enable that, you come to files, just click on files, and then after options here you'll see a lot of things. Just click on add-ins. Just click on add-ins. Once you click on add-ins, just ensure that you click on analysis toolpak. So here you see there's analysis toolpak. Just you don't click it, just click on go. Then it will open you this window where you can be able to check it. So mine is already checked, that's why it's visible at the other end. So yours, it will not be checked, so you just check it, then you click OK, then you come back and also click OK in the next dialog, and you'll be good to go. Because for me, I'm already having it here, so it will not be able to tell me to do that again. So that is it. In case of any challenge that you encounter, please bring it in the comment section. Thank you.